guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I absolutely am, even though I just woke up, as you can see, because I'm totally naked. I'm standing naked, except I have my robe on, yeah. Okay, so that's fortunate, because otherwise this would be a very interesting video. It could have gotten a lot more views, who knows. Okay guys, so this is the video I've been talking about for ages, okay? I've been probably saying it since I started with the car vlog videos things. Cause I am excited, guys. Today I am really stoked. This is the wheel video. Finally. I think it's gonna make such a big difference, and to be honest, I don't even know what the wheels looks like, because they are so dirty right now. We will treat the tires with we will treat the tires with Meguiar's Tire Shine, and we are going to fill in the lettering with a tire pen and clean the wheels real good, put the caps on. It's gonna be a good day, just gonna send it.
I don't know, I just woke up from a little nap. It's a little dark, but you guys silly? I'm still gonna send it. I'm just gonna send it! Oh.
I can't handle it. It's too much memes. No, it's never too much memes. Okay, let's go!
We are the love survivors. We are the lucky ones. We are the soul providers. We show you how it's done. We got this fire started, hotter than the sun. We are the love survivors. We are the lucky ones. So
First I was afraid, I was petrified.
One too many broken hearted. Yeah, now I'm turning this thing around. Maybe I'll stumble, and you'll turn it back around. We are the love survivors. We are the lucky ones. We are the soul providers. We show you how it's done. We got this fire started, hotter than the sun. We are the lucky ones. No more songs of sorrows, no more lonely nights. Only love as pure as water. 'Cause I'm ready to rumble. And if I stumble, you will turn it back around. Ooh, we are the love survivors. We are the lucky ones. We are the soul providers. We show you how it's done. We got this fire started, hotter than the sun.
Step number 1. Take the wheels apart. Step number 2. Use the Powerwasher.
Survivors, we are the lucky ones. And if I stumble, you will turn me back around. Ooh, we are the love survivors. We are the lucky ones.
Okay, so the rims are washed thoroughly on both sides. And whatever dirt is left we will take with the wheel cleaner.
Higher than the sun, we are the last survivors. We are the lucky ones. Say it, baby, hit it fast no more. Fast no more.
The tires are done. I will put them in a place where there is no dirt, and I will bring out the rims. Okay, so the rims, step number 1 is to remove the old weights. That is very easily done with a screwdriver and a hammer, I hope. Yep, that works. Okay, so maybe you're thinking, but Max, why remove the weights if you're still gonna balance it again afterwards? Well, you know, if you have a set of wheels that look really fresh, they should also feel fresh and be balanced fresh. So, you know what I mean? If you want to do something, you should go for it full-hearted. So, that's why. And yeah, while we're at it, next step, wheel and tire cleaner for the rims. Alright guys, so before and after. And yeah, so in the end I did one wheel at a time, and I used brake cleaner and intense degreaser at the same time, and then just went at it with the brush. Like hard, like really aggressive, you know, like arg, like that, you know. Yeah, so it seemed to work out. You know, you gotta live with some scuffs because the wheels are probably like 15 years old, so that kind of comes with it. So what you gotta do. And now I'm gonna use my bucket of warm water with soap and a towel to just finish the wheels off, and then I will see you inside for the next step. So yeah, see you there. Oh, I am so tired, I'm gonna fall asleep. It's 11 o'clock. I just really don't know where I am. I've been working extremely hard the last 4 hours, and I never really go half the way. It's always everything or nothing. And yeah.
A few minutes later.
So I've got some energy back and I'm doing the tire lettering now. So yeah, just watch along. So status update, it's 1 o'clock. I was tired before, I'm tired now. I've got the tires here. Yeah. This one hasn't been finished yet, no. And then this done. I will see how long the pen holds out. I don't know how much more I can do. And I don't want to buy another pen because I need to put the wheels together. So it's probably gonna look something like this. Maybe some more here and maybe one more word here. Not sure, we will see. And I also washed out the mid parts on the rims. That goes in here. I will bring the tires into the house and see you tomorrow. It's currently 5 o'clock. And you know, I'm kind of stressed because I want the wheels assembled today, so I gotta bring them to the shop, and that means I have to be done before school, and that's why I stayed up so late yesterday. School starts at 8:30. It's 5 o'clock now, so we have a lot of time to finish the wheels up before school so we can bring them to the shop. I have my trustworthy coffee here, so we are all set. Yup, that's kind of cold, but does the job. Well, how extremely sick isn't that? Yeah, that's right. The next step, guys, is that I will use this. It's the I'm reading. Maguire's Hot Shine Reflect Tire Shine Reflex Light for sparkling shine gives tire deep black wet look. I will go outside to do that because I don't want glitter in my entire house. Let's try it out. So guys, we are at the very last step of the renovation cleaning part. The only thing that's left after this is to put them together again, and that is something I can't do myself, but this is the last thing. We're now going to put the stickers on the center caps that we cleaned, so it's going to look really nice. Let's do that. So guys, we are done. I put the wheels together at the shop yesterday and they look absolutely marvelous. They are so sick. I will show you them in a second here and give you guys a B-roll, and after that I will leave you with the outro. So I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. I really liked the video today. It's the first video I felt like this is what I want to do. Like this is what I want to represent. So yeah, yeah, just roll the B-roll. Yeah, go.
Different side of me, yeah.
So guys, if you like the video, you can subscribe on my right, or you can watch more videos on my left. Yep, so I'm waiting.